1.
Okay, so to finish off our, can we use hypotenuse leg to prove that these two triangles are congruent? Let's make our checklist. Do we have the hypotenuse for these two triangles? Do we have a leg for these two triangles? And then do we have a 90-degree angle for these two triangles? So if you look, let's find our overlapping one, the one that that is the same for both triangles. That's RV. And RV is congruent to RV by the reflexive theorem. So we know that RV is congruent to RV. So let's go ahead and write that down here. By the reflexive property, check. And then now we say, do we have a leg of our triangles congruent? So we have RX congruent to RT. So check. And do we have a 90-degree angle within our two triangles? Yep, angle X and angle T. So yes, these two triangles are congruent. Let's write that. So triangles RXV is congruent to triangle RTV by hypotenuse leg theorem. All right, so you guys, real quick, this is just bonus information. This is number 18 from your homework assignment. So it's asking us to prove that triangles MNL is congruent to triangle QPL. So you write down all of your given information. So NLP is an isosceles triangle with a base, NP. MN is congruent to NL. QP is perpendicular to PL. And ML is congruent to QL. So if we look, we're trying to prove these two blue triangles are congruent. And we have that angle N is congruent to angle P. Not sure. Oh, no, sorry. LN is congruent to LP. LN is congruent to LP. That's the definition of isosceles triangle if the two sides are congruent to each other. And then we can say triangle MNL is congruent to triangle QPL because we have the hypotenuse here is congruent. That's given. We have a right angle. That's given. And then we have this angle LN and LP congruent. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent by hypotenuse leg. And that wraps up our activity for 4-6.